An elephant would be completely helpless without its moving trunk. The elephant needs it for drinking, eating, showering, grabbing things, or using it as a tool. In nature, the trunk consists of about 40,000 transverse and longitudinal muscles working together. This makes the trunk very flexible. Bionics experts built a robot that has the shape of an elephant's trunk and can equally move in all directions. Looking at the robot, the elephant's muscles were replaced by air chambers. They work like small balloons which get filled with different amounts of air. When the chambers get filled on the right side, the robot trunk moves in the opposite direction, to the left side. The material used also plays an important part in the robot's mobility. Therefore, the robot trunk is made of a specially knitted textile fabric. With its fine threads, the textile can expand in the one direction and at the same time limit the movement on the other side. With its mobility, the robot can support people in many ways. Since it is made of lightweight material, there is no risk of injury.